profile of the tiles, the way how they slide together. They're designed to connect together like this, and they are screwed by 3 screws, one there, and one at the ends. You can see the way how they connect together. Almost it cannot get up underneath, up there and across. It's impossible. The tiles overlap like so. Slide across, screw into there, and screw into there. And can be screwed through that joint if you're going to stagger the tiles. Or you can lay the tiles in line like that. Screw through the batten, into the batten, and one anchoring screw here. Here we have 3 ridge tiles. Now the ridge tiles, they can be screwed directly onto a batten through the top, or as explained and shown, through the sides onto the tile itself. These tiles are pretty flexible, so they can really cover a very narrow pitch or a very wide pitch. Fixing the ridge tiles is very simple. It's 3 screws per side per ridge tile. Fixings go through the ridge tile and into the tile that the ridge tile is sitting on, or through into the battens, whichever the case may be. The ridge tiles can of course also be screwed through the top if there is sufficient substrate for the screws to go through the ridge tile and into either the batten or apex. We also recommend, along the hips situation, if you were to squirt expanding foam before you lay the tiles, the ridge tiles, just to fill this void, that when you put in the flexing roof putty, you'll be pushing against something firm rather than into a void. There's also an end cap that comes with the ridge tile system, and the end cap screws next to terminate the ridge, like so. So we have a box of flexing roof putty here. It's a material we found works really well as a gap filler to fill the gap between the bottom of the ridge tile and the surface of the tile that the ridge tile sits upon. It's completely waterproof, very soft, almost like some plasticine, but it goes off very, very hard like the rubber on your tyre.